Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself Diva video. Today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe.
We are going to try the Poppin' Cookin' Tanoshii Hamburger from Crazy. If you saw part 1, you saw us make this. And for part 2, we are going to what?
We're going to try it.
You look very excited about this.
I am very excited. Let's try these.
Okay, let's get to it. So, as you can see, there's hamburgers, there's a soda, and there are fries. If you saw
the previous video, you'll see that fries are gone.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a fail there. So, all right, so here we are with our little. Would you like to taste the soda?
Sure.
Okay, so taste the little cola. Don't spill it. Okay, keep your thought. On a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning fantastic, 1 meaning I give this a 1.
The same.
Tastes like medicine.
Okay, let's try a burger.
Okay, you do the double and I'll do the single. Okay, so here we are. Cheers. Oh, you put the whole thing? You need to wash it down. Don't go anywhere. Okay, well, while Tank is handling himself over here, on a scale of 1 to 4, it just tastes like gummy candy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Connecticut.
Thank you, Zinnik, for giving
Zinnik.
us this.
I'm sorry, Zinnik. You're very.
Hope you enjoy this video.
Until next time.
Wait. I give this a 1. I was expecting it to taste better.
It looks very cute though, and it was fun putting it together. It's a great bonding activity. So we bonded.
Yeah.
I know who's going to be looking out for me when my old age. You'll remember us doing this. All right, thank you. Until next time.